Okay, so welcome to video number 3. In this one, I promise to keep it short and snappy. I'm just going to talk about the format itself. Now, what I want everyone to understand, whether you're watching this from home or watching it in my classroom, whether you're in my lesson or not, and you have me as a teacher or not, doesn't matter. The format at the moment, as you can see, it's a Google document. It's a Word made by Google or using their software. But the question some of you might be having right now is, do I have to do it on Google Docs? The answer is no. You can do it on a Word document, Microsoft Word, but you could do it on PowerPoint as well. Now, in the next video, I'm going to break down these sections, but I just want to highlight something very quickly here first. The evidence. Now you will be given something very similar to these tables, when you come to doing the real thing. So this is designed to imitate and look like the real thing, but it's not exactly the same, and that's the point, because this is a practice. That's why I've called it a mock here at the top. So what you'll find is, after each section there is a part that says checklist of evidence, and you'll see it says it can be a multimedia presentation, so a PowerPoint with appropriate notes. So if you do a PowerPoint, you have to have notes at the bottom, which we'll talk about in the next video. Or what I find easier is a written report, which is why I chose a Word document. This is obviously Google's version of Word, but you can do it on a standard Word. Okay, so don't get bogged down too much about, oh my god, I don't have access to the internet or access to Google Docs or whatever it is. But it is a free piece of software. I mean, that's some good news right there. So if you are doing it from home, and especially if you're in my class, you have no choice, boys and girls. You have to use Google Classroom to get access to this template. But like I said, it's a practice, so you can watch this from home and do it on a new Word document or a new PowerPoint. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so the method is really down to you, but what I would always do is look at this list and see what options they give you. So in this situation, it says the evidence can be either a presentation on PowerPoint or a written report, which has to be a Word document or Google Docs.